everyone, today I'll be giving you an introduction to 4-pin RGB LEDs. So we have here a two set of LEDs. So one is called a diffuse LED and another is called a clear LED. So this diffused LEDs or clear LEDs, all these two have 4 pins, as you can see. So this one of the pin here, I'll be just giving you the physical interpretation of this LEDs. So as you can see here, the longer pin, that is the longest amongst all other 4, is the common anode, so which is connected to the power supply, and all other inputs are commonly connected to this anode, and these 3 pins are connected to the negative. And similarly, we can see here even the clear LEDs do have a similar physical interpretation. So this diffused LEDs appear to be dimmer, but it can be viewed from any angle. So this is quite useful when using for bigger circuits. So these 2 LEDs, as you can see, are a tricolor LEDs with separate red, green and blue LED chips inside. So these 3 pins are representing 3 different colors. So based on this, whichever you want, we can connect it to the power supply and it will blink accordingly. So now we can see 2 different LEDs. So this is the diffused LED. So this diffused LEDs are really good for indication, and they look soft and uniform, and you can see them well from any angle, as I said before. And when it comes to this LEDs, so this is the clear LEDs. So the clear LEDs are very good for illumination. The light is direct and it's very powerful, but you cannot see them from a different kind of angle because the light illuminates only in one direction, that is, it just illuminates in the forward direction. So you will just seeing a demonstration of how these 2 LEDs will be blinking or illuminating.